Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to give you the demo of this new application, I-beam Timber to Joist. This application connects the timber to the inverted angle. Let me just show you how this application works. Select the component and pick the angle and pick the timber, and you can see the connection here. Let me just select the connection. You can change the plate properties. You can change either near side or far side or both the sides. And this is for chamfering the plates. Let me choose a rounding option. And then once I enter the values, you can see the chamfers in all the four corners. This is the bolt catalog, which is similar to this Tekla system component. If you want to control the bolt distance, you can enter the number of bolts and the distance between the bolts and edge distance. This is in vertical direction and horizontal direction. So if I go to the weld, so you can specify the weld between angle and plate. Let's apply this connection to timber, which is in different angle. Let me select the component. It also works if the timber is in different angle. If you have any question about this component, feel free to get in touch with me, and thank you for watching this video.